Hello everyone, this is me again. So I will quickly show you a demo of self-hosted model deployment. And yeah, let's just go ahead directly to the setup prerequisites. We should have a GitLab instance and Docker installed and an AI model hosted, whatever where. And after that, we can go to the steps. But in this demo, I already have the instance for GitLab. It's all in GCP. Does not matter where it is, but mine is in GCP. And we have an Ollama multi-LLM models hosted in this instance. So we can just try to just verify one more time here if it is up and running. So okay, our Ollama is running already, so it's listening for requests to the AI models. Let's go back to our setup steps. So here I'm inside the instance, and we have documentation, detailed documentation already added, and there are some updates will be pushed soon. And we have also some documentation for the demo itself. What we're going to do now is, first of all, we have all prerequisites filled. We have a GitLab instance, Docker installed, and the model self-hosted in Ollama as we showed. Now we need to configure GitLab instance to know where is the AI gateway is. So this is what we're going to do now. And to do that, we should just add some environment variables. And I'm here inside my instance, let's say sudo nano and this file. So let me show you the environment variables that we need to have present. So for the AI gateway to communicate with the GitLab instance should know where is the AI gateway is hosted, right? So we are hosting the AI gateway inside this instance, which is this IB. So you need to set a variable called AI gateway URL. And as I mentioned, all of that is included already in the documentation. But what we need to do for the AI gateway to be connected with the GitLab instance, that we need to configure the GitLab instance to know where is the AI gateway. This should be the first step. And we do that by adding this AI gateway variable. And let me just go out of it. So what we have now also is we need to have Docker and blah, blah, blah. We need to tell the AI gateway where is the GitLab instance is and where is the API for the GitLab instance is. So in order to do that, we should set two environment variables, which are AI gateway GitLab URL and AI gateway API URL. So both of them needed for the AI gateway to know where is the GitLab instance is. What we need to do again is now bold the Docker image. Where is the Docker image is listed? And it's here. For example, we have the releases for the AI gateway. For example, the latest version is V1 for 1.4.0. We can for sure use the specific version, or to pull the latest always just use the latest stack. But let's just stick to the dog that we have here for the demo, which is going to be this one. We need to pull the Docker image and run it in this port 5000, which is we stated in the GitLab instance setup previously. And we need two environment variable. This one is to bypass external calls for the AI gateway. And there's another variable that we use at the moment, but it will not be there anymore once we merge some changes being done now. It should be merged today, hopefully. And we currently, for the demo, we need those two variables. But in the future, and in the documentation itself, we will just need one variable, which is AI gateway custom models enabled. So we can just now specify our version, which was v1.4.0, and we pull the Docker image and we run it directly. So firing this command here is pulling the image and running it. I have the image already pulled. So it's going to set up the instance for the AI gateway itself. Takes some time, it should be there. And now we are listening on the request coming to the AI gateway, which is self-hosted. All of that is self-hosted. And what we need to do now is proceed with our steps, install Ollama or whatever. But now our GitLab instance is listening to our AI gateway, and our AI gateway is listening to the GitLab instance. And we have already Ulama up and running to receive the request to the AI models itself. So looking at this thing, now we can start figuring out our feature. For that to be fired, you go there in the AI-powered features here, and below models, you can click models, and you can always add a new self-hosted model, the name of the deployment, choose the model itself, Mistral or Mixtral, the endpoint, and API token if needed for verification. But I already have my model here, and it's already set up for the Ulama request, which is this one. So we have everything now set up for our, yes, where I am, I'm here. So we have everything set up now for our Mistral model to be called. So what we are going to do now is we are going to fire requests, and we will verify that the AI gateway is receiving the request and forwarding it to Ulama. So what we should do is we are here in the same instance in the IDE. Let's say binary search method, which I like. So we should be now receiving a request to our AI gateway, and we got a response already. Let me just do it once again. And okay, it was there. I lost it. Okay, now it should be there. So we got a response, and the AI model generated this response. And for the request itself, it's here. So our AI gateway receives the request from the GDK and forwarded this request to our self-hosted Ulama running instance. And yeah, here we go. We have now the GDK, or like the instance, the GitLab instance, set up and running. And we have the AI gateway self-hosted, the GitLab instance self-hosted, and we do also have our LLMs or Ulama LLMs self-hosted. So that's pretty much it. And we go again to this one. What we did is those prerequisites, and we configure the GitLab instance to listen to the AI gateway, and we configure the AI gateway to know where the GitLab instance is. And we tested the code from the IDE already. So in this way, you have all of your setups, AI gateway, AI model, GitLab instance in the same network or environment that you are running. And this is ensuring that self-hosting AI gateway, custom models, and GitLab instance, which is ensuring there are no calls to any external architecture at all. And that should be it. And yeah, thank you.